morning, good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you are joining. We have been covering the Yoga Sutra, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. Sutra means a thread. The Yoga Sutra, the thread is strung around the beads to make it into a beautiful garland. Patanjali, in his 195 sutras, 195 formulas, sutra also means formula. It's a formula. Formula is not an elaborated one, only a concise. And it is impregnated with meaning. It can be expanded. It can be expanded further. As we contemplate on that one, it starts opening up. In 195 Sutra, he divides into 4 categories. One is Samadhi Pada, second is Sadhana Pada, third one is Vibhuti Pada, and fourth one is Kaivalya Pada. The Samadhi means Adi means our original nature. You had to come back to your original nature. We have come out of our home and we got lost. We lost contact with ourselves. We don't know what is our original home. We lost on the track. There is no GPS in our life to come back. We lost contact with our own self. Samadhi means you have to come back. Connect yourself. There, when you come back your own home, you feel empowered. You feel all powerful. When I'm lost, I'm confused in my life. I don't know what I want in my life. Samadhi Pada, come back to your own home. And Sadhana Pada, to come back, you have to do practice. You have come away from your home. Far away you have come. You don't know how far you have come. To go back, you have to practice. Retreat. You have to retreat. Retract. Slowly retreat and retract. That's why we organize retreat. Retreat means coming back. Come back to your own home. And Samadhi, Sadhana Pada. Samadha Pada and Vibhuti Pada. As we are coming back, we start experiencing many things. In our busy day life, so many things we miss out. We are so busy in our life, so many beautiful things in our life we start missing out. As we start retreating, as we start coming back, we start experiencing beautiful things we totally had missed in the past. I never experienced that one in my life in the before. Now I am experiencing this one. Vibhuti Pada and Kaivalya Pada. Kaivalya, the fourth one, is Kevala. And I think to exist, I need these things in my life. Without that one, I can't exist. These are the mandatory, a must in my life. I need a luxury house, luxury car, luxury property, luxury investment, and holiday. I think these are the mandatory for me. Without these, I can't exist. And Kaivalya Pada says, for you think you need so many baggages to exist, slowly you realize, I don't need any of these ones. Yet, I am so happy in my life. I thought these are the must for me to exist. And when I start going in, so much of baggage I have been carrying. These are all not required. Simple things in my life, I am happy. Kaivalya Pada, it takes us to the fourth one, Kaivalya Pada. That is, that you are coming back home. Coming back home, when we went out, my backpack is so full, I went out, my back is hunched back, load on my head, so much of load. When I am coming back, freedom, no baggage. I am coming back so light. I'm coming back so light back into the home to revel within. Patanjali says, Atha Yoga Anushasanam. To experience that one baggage-free life, you have to practice. It is not easily available. You have to practice with a discipline. Shasana, you have to have a discipline in your life. with commitment. It is not imposed by others, it is a self-commitment. It is not somebody is telling you have to come and attend, you have to practice. You are imposing these rules onto yourself. Atha yoga anushasanam chitta vritti nirodha, and your mind becomes calm. When you start practicing, do not go here and there, connect yourself to the goal. When you connect yourself to the goal, tada drishtu swarupe avasthanam. When you are no longer moving here and there, when you come back to your own home, tada drishtu swarupe, you abide by your own beauty, your own glory. You are reveling within. I have come back to my own home. Tada drishtu swarupe avasthanam vritti sarupya itaratra. If I don't come back home, I am like a wandering dog going everywhere. If I am wandering everywhere, mind goes outside. It will mislead you further. It will take you further away from your home. As your proximity from the home reduces, you start going away. Mind is more agitated, disturbed. I can't sleep. Anxiety, stress, depression problem. I am no longer myself. Mind is not at ease. And vritti sarupya itaratra vrittaya panchataya klishta aklishta. Mind starts wandering away in 5 ways, some leading to a good experience, some bad experience. Pramana, viparyaya, vikalpa, nidra, smritihi. Sometimes I got lost outside, I want to go home, I want to look at my map, then I get distracted. Pramana, right thing I want, and mind gets distracted into viparyaya. Wrong maps. So many people outside, they are showing me wrong map. This is the home, come. You come here, come party. This is the real map. Everyone out is showing me map to mislead me. I want to see, but so many people outside, so-called friends, they are showing me wrong map, taking me somewhere. And viparyaya, vikalpa, leading to the imagination. I think I reached the home. And like when I am intoxicated, I think I reached home. I vikalpa, imagination, nidra, and spend time in sleep and past memory. I go back into the past memory when I was a child, that one, this one. I am never in the present. And pramana, pratyaksha, anumana, agamani, pramanani. Pratyaksha, the pramana, right knowledge, how to get on to that one. You should have a pratyaksha, personal experience you should have. I should have a personal experience. Pratyaksha, anumana. If I do not have a personal experience, I should be able to infer. I should be able to logical conclusion. I should come to that one. Anumana means you have to follow the great people who are done. Anumana, I can't do myself. You have to trust the great people who have tread this path in the past, and they know the path. I should follow them. Anumana, anusarati. And pratyaksha, anumana, agamani, pramanani. Or if I can't come across a person, illumined person, then I have to resort to the text, scriptures. They are giving that to begin with, scriptures. And if I can't get that one, then follow somebody who have treaded in that path. If I can't do that one, then those two must lead to my own personal experience. Pratyaksha, ultimate is the pratyaksha. I should experience that one. How long? And Patanjali says you can have tivra samvegana masana. You have to have, it's intensely energetic in this path, if you want to get into that one. Intensely energetic. And how long I had to practice? Satu dirgha kala nairantarya satkara sevito drida bhumihi. To do that one, to have the personal experience, it is not a time-bound practice. You have to, it is not, I can't say that I have 1 month, 1 term yoga and I will do this one. Dhirga kala, nairantyarya, satkaro, as an offering, offering to the Supreme Lord to bring out the best in me, I have to do that one. Satkara sevito drida bhumihi, on a firm footing of the knowledge. I have to do that one. And vitarka vichara and ananda asmita anugama samprajna. Patanjali says you have to bring in, by effort, come into the samprajna samadhi by force. How to do that one? Vitarka, I have to by discussion. Vitarka, it can be also related to achara. We need to have a process in place. Many people, they say you need not have to have any process, do whatever it is not. You need to have a process to follow every day. This ritual. You have to have a ritual in your house, in your practice. And people say, I'm not ritualistic, I'm very modern. It says you need to have a ritual. Process in place. Vitarka, vichara. Vichara is the content. The process, why I am following the process? To retain the content. The content by itself, it cannot exist. You need a container. The container part is called as the process. You need to have a process. Process without content is meaningless. And content without process, it's not sustainable. You need a proper process. You have to have a process. Ritual and content. You need to have a content. It's called as vichara. Why I am having a process and content? It's so that, and as I practice, I should enjoy, I should experience ananda. I have to experience, when I start practicing with process and content, I am following that one. I start enjoying, I can experience the joy. That joy, it has to be led to asmita. It is not small ananda, it should be 24/7 happiness. It is not only 5 minutes joy. You should have to asmita, you should get it ingrained in your life. Vitarka, vichara, ananda, asmita, anugamat, samprajna. Through practice, by practice we have to do this one to experience samprajnata samadhi. Patanjali talks about. There is another one, it is called as asamprajnata samadhi. Asamprajnata samadhi, it happens naturally. One is by force. Yes, I had to practice. I had to come to that one. Some is asamprajnata samadhi and shraddha, virya, then samadhi, shraddha, virya, smriti, samadhi, prajna purvaka, itaresham. Patanjali talks about you have to have faith. When I am having a faith, intense faith, what I am doing, shraddha, virya, so energetic, no longer dull. When whatever teacher asks you to do, I am ready. I am always committed. As I was telling when I was in New Zealand also, I was so energetic. I want to do. I was telling people, even call me at 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning. I am there. I want to do. I want to practice. That much of commitment do you have? Virya, so much of energy wanting to practice. And for us, Most of us, if I say, sorry sir, I'm busy, sorry sir, I'm busy, sorry sir, I can't come. And always there is no energy. That this Shraddha, faith, Virya, infused with energy, Shraddha, Virya and Smriti, memory. Memory, what? When I am doing the great things in my life, I should remember. And the Ishavasya Upanishad talks about Om Kratosmara, Kratam Smara, Kratosmara, Kratam Smara. As I am leaving the body, kicking the bucket, I should remember all the great things I have done with joy, with pride. Yes, God had given me an opportunity. I have done so much. I am so happy. I should remember the great things I have done in my life. And Smriti, I should be proud of my achievement. Not for that. It is not a dull energy you can't reach. You need to have so much of energy. And Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi. And you should come back to your home. When you are there, Prajna Purvaka, when you are Prajna Purvaka, you are the next level. You have moved from the Annamaya Kosha, you have moved from the Pranamaya, Manomaya, you are established in your intellectual level. You have the memory of the past. You remember everything. Prajna Purvaka, from the Vijnanamaya Kosha you are operating. And Prajna Purvaka, when you are there, it happens naturally. It is 27, initially I had to try to be happy. This one, naturally it happens. Asamprajnata Samadhi, Patanjali talks about. You have to do that one by practice. You can, Patanjali, that it is not, Shastra is not like something flower up in the heaven. You go and pick it up. It is not that one. The sutras are given, these can be done. Only what is can be done, it is put it into the document. It is not something up in the sky, it is there. Only that what we need is a Shraddha. We need to have a intensity. Yes, I want to do. Shraddha, Virya, and the Smriti Samadhi, Prajna Purvaka. By effort, illumine your Manomaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha. And through that one, you can make it. And it is not for somebody else. It is addressed to you and me. We can do. It is not for somebody up in the mountain they can do. It is saying that you also can do it. Lie down on your back.